I remember the thrill of first holding my father's Cosina AF camera. A Japanese marvel with a fixed lens, it was his treasure, and he had reluctantly handed it over to me to capture our family portraits. I was still using film, even though the digital revolution was already sweeping the photographic market. I loved the tactile feel of the film, the anticipation of developing the photos, the surprise of the final image. It was like capturing fragments of time and preserving them forever. Years later, I acquired a Nikon 5100D, and the tourist in me came to life. Holding the camera, I felt a sense of tranquility. It became an extension of my body, the viewfinder an extension of my vision. The shutter button gave me the power to freeze time. As I raised the camera to frame the shot, I was searching not just for a scene, but for a piece of my own soul. You see, photography is a journey. It begins as an outside-in approach, but with time, it matures into an inside-out perspective. You start as a naive observer, capturing people and objects as they are. But as you continue, you begin to see the world through the lens of your own experiences and emotions. And in the honeymoon phase of this journey, there are no comparisons or doubts. You're intimate with your subject, your camera, and yourself. You capture everything that catches your eye without giving much thought to composition or technique. Let's call this the touristic approach to photography. However, for the curious among us, this phase is short-lived. You start to explore the intricacies of your camera, diving into the technicalities of photography. You watch online tutorials, join local photography clubs, and read up on the craft. You strive to understand the machine that has become an extension of yourself. As the camera becomes part of you, you begin to see patterns in the world around you. You pre-visualize scenes, anticipate moments. You feel the environment, the sun's heat, the play of light and shadow. You start to see not just what is happening, but what is about to happen, and you capture those moments, freezing them in time. As you transition from a beginner to an amateur, you start to find your niche. You explore different genres of photography and discover what pulls at your heartstrings. Is it the serenity of landscapes, the mystery of wildlife, the human touch of documentary photography, or the spontaneity of street photography? This comes naturally as your soul guides you towards what resonates with your past experiences and present emotions. This journey is a litmus test for those of us who call ourselves photographers. It's a journey of self-discovery, of understanding our relationship with the world around us, and of capturing fleeting moments and making them eternal. It's a journey that starts with a naive curiosity and evolves into a profound understanding of life and its myriad emotions. And it's a journey that continues, one frame at a time.